12 years ago, I couldn't have imagined I could homeschool my children. Hey everyone, my name is Annie Abraham. I'm a homeschooling mom, now a transformation and confidence coach. This video is for mothers who are looking for a new method of schooling, a new method of education. Just in case you happen to see this video and you don't want to change the method of schooling, but there are mothers who are struggling with the current system of education or how the children are coping up at school or online schooling, please do share this video with others. So many of the mothers were first asking me was, Annie, why did you start homeschooling? What made you start homeschooling? Yeah, prior to homeschooling, my children were going to regular school. They were in smaller classes then. And I was not very happy with the system of education. I didn't want them to be like parrots, just going and learning and spitting it out, just learning and spitting out every day. And end of the day, the projects and other things were given to the parents to do. I was not very happy with that system. I wanted to make a difference. I did not know exactly what homeschooling was. I thought homeschooling was for the celebrity children when the parents were traveling and they had tutors coming home and helping them. That was my idea of homeschooling. I had no idea that homeschooling could be for regular families like us, for normal families like us, that we could make a difference in our children's life. No doubt I was scared. I had no one to tell me anything about homeschooling. Nobody guided me about it. And for generations together, none of us knew what exactly homeschooling was, especially growing up in India. So it was not an easy task for me. I decided that no matter what, I'll take the risk because it was for the future of my children. I wanted to school with a difference. I wanted them to enjoy education and learn more, because education is not about just school and some books and theory. It was all about learning a lot of skill. It's all about understanding more and having an awareness of everything around the world, especially about exploring their interests. I wanted my children to explore the interests and the dreams that they wanted, explore their own dreams. That is what I wanted them to do. I remember very well that since I did not know what homeschooling was, I was just researching online on what I could give to my children, in what way I could give them a better quality of education when they come home. What could I do better than school? That's what I was basically exploring and researching. And I came across homeschooling. As of now, right now, you have a lot of videos on YouTube for beginners, for advanced people, for intermediates, for all sorts of people in India. When I was researching, there was not a single Indian videos. Indian families doing homeschooling maybe 11 years back. No one was actually doing. There was no one who made a homeschooling video. All the videos that I came across, all the blogs that I came across was from the American families, American homeschooling families. But that really helped me. I was like, okay, even normal families like us can do. I can help my children. If those mothers can do, these homeschooling moms can do, then why cannot I do? If they are not trained, because I have not been trained to be a teacher, but if they are not trained, if they can help their children, why cannot I? So I decided that I'm going to do that. That was the first step. So I started researching a lot. I did almost a 6 months of research. I was sitting and searching and studying morning to evening. I was going through a lot of videos. I was going through a lot of blogs. What are the benefits and what are the cons, pros and cons of homeschooling? I went through all that. What are we going to struggle with? What we are going to be enjoying? Everything I did a research. And then I called my family for a meeting. I spoke to my husband, I spoke to my children, and I said, see, we need to find something, because I had my younger daughter who was dyslexic. She was having a lot of problem at school with reading and writing. And my older daughter was a perfectionist. So I had two different personalities and I had to handle both, and I wanted to do something much better for them. So I told my husband that I am going to jump into this venture. Are we all willing to join hands and take this risk? It's not going to be easy for me to make this decision alone. I need my whole family to stand with me. Rather than sending them to a regular school, they would be staying at home 24/7 and reading, studying, doing everything that was supposed to be done at home. The third step that I did was I ordered a few books from USA. I checked on a few curriculums. I was looking at different kinds of curriculums, and I've ordered just a few handful of books from US and made my children go through it during one of their summer holidays. I wanted them to feel the cover of the books, see the cover of the books, explore inside, touch each and every page, see what's written. How did they how did they find when they saw the book? How did they find when they read the book? Each and different subjects I ordered, and I made them go through it, and my children were pretty excited going through that. I also told them that when you're studying from home, you will start losing friends. You will not be able to see the friends in school. You will not be able to play during your school playtime, regular school time. Life is going to be different when you're homeschooling. So I had to take permission from my husband and my children, and finally we made this decision. This is how I got into this venture of homeschooling. Obviously, I did not know that I was on the right path, because first thing is, no matter what you do, you have to put your foot into that. Only then you will know that whether you're going the right path or not, right? Even for your life, when you're taking up challenges, when you're taking up a project in life, when you're going for a job, when you're starting a new business, you have to you have to step into it. Only then you will know whether you've taken the right path or not. So even when I started homeschooling, I was not very sure that have I made the right decision or not, but we just jumped into it. And yeah, we just moved on to it. We had challenges, we had the good times, we had the bad times, but no matter what, I think later I realized that this is the right path, because I wanted to make a difference. As I said, I wanted education to be fun. I wanted my younger daughter, especially because she was struggling with dyslexia, and I wanted her to learn better, and that helped her read as many books, improved her to start writing articles, whatever she wants. She's been putting her heart out into it, and she's been healed of dyslexia. So I think that's the best testimony I can give, because she as you understand and know that there are different forms of reading, studying. What are the forms? One is kinesthetic, audio, some of them are through video, some of them can just read and understand, right? So some people need two ways. So my younger daughter needs both the ways of kinesthetic as well as audio. It's not through watching. She has to do something. So I had to find a way to make her enjoy learning, whatever, whether it's math, whether it is history or geography or science. Doesn't matter what subject, but I had to find a way to make up. If she was going to regular school, it wouldn't have been possible to do the kinesthetic and the audio way. That was not possible. That in the same way, my older daughter, she had to be allowed to sit and explore what she wanted. That testimony that I saw my children grow, children learn so much, just not in regular school education, but it also helped me grow as a mother, helped me change my attitude, my personality. So much of me changed as I homeschool my children. So I think now I can say, yeah, I don't regret homeschooling. I believe that I took the right path. But now again, I don't want to force anybody take this decision, because this has to come from you. You have to build a mindset that what your family needs and what your children needs, and whether you are ready to take that risk, whether you are willing to put that energy, put that time, and especially it needs a lot of productive time, scheduling for the day, and keeping time aside even for yourself as a mother, for your creativity, for your hobbies, and Just everything about you also is important. You must ask yourself this question: is this the right path am I taking? Is this the right decision for our family? Am I doing the right thing? Will I have time for myself? If it answers everything for you, then I would say yes, go for homeschooling.